The BLUETTI Elite 200V2 solar generator is designed for those seeking a reliable and sustainable energy source thanks to its inclusion of a 350-watt solar panel. One of the standout features is its remarkable lifespan of 17 years, attributed to the use of auto-grade LFP batteries that offer over 6,000 cycles. With a robust capacity of 2,073.6 watt-hours and a powerful 2,600-watt AC output, this generator can efficiently power up to 9 devices simultaneously. Its compact design makes it a perfect companion for camping, road trips, and even as a backup power source at home. The generator's low power consumption is complemented by an upgraded app that provides intuitive control and real-time power insights. Included with the BLUETTI Elite 200V2 are essential accessories such as an AC charging cable, solar charging cable, and a user manual, ensuring you're equipped for any adventure.